What are the skills that will be in demand in the future or in the next 5 years or in the next 10 years? This is one of the most common questions that a lot of our subscribers who are working professional, who are non-tech professional, who are students, who are engineering graduates ask us in our comment section. And to find the answer to this question, I started my research and I came across this. AI, that is artificial intelligence, and ML, machine learning, is a sector where there will be exponential growth of jobs. And if you combine this with drone tech, you will find a lot of applications in the defense sector for drone. And along with that, you will find a lot of applications in agriculture and surveillance as well. And that is the reason this is going to be the future. So, while researching, I came across this specialized program in artificial intelligence and machine learning with drone tech, which is offered by TiHAN IIT Hyderabad in collaboration with Masai and NSDC. And I am going to review this for all of you guys. If you are a tech professional or even come from a non technical background or a business owner, entrepreneur, or even a student, then you might already know that the top CEOs of the best companies like Nvidia and Amazon have already mentioned that the size of AI is going to increase and there will be a lot of job openings in the 21st century in the upcoming 5 to 10 years for AI and machine learning. Now, one of the most important thing is offered by Masai School for this program. That is, you will be getting access to 5,000 plus hiring partners, companies such as Flipkart, Swiggy, Razorpay, etc., which will be provided by Masai School for this program by TiHAN IIT Hyderabad. If you are getting 7 plus CGPA, you will be eligible for full placement assistance. And if you are able to get 9 plus CGPA, you will be getting a guaranteed internship interview at TiHAN IIT Hyderabad. Not only that, the best again part of this program is the hands-on industry projects, which is guided by expert mentors from IITs and top companies, which will ensure you get practical and relevant skills for development. Not only that, one more important thing is that you will be getting resume building, mock interviews, and career mentorship as well in this particular program. In the AI and machine learning with drone specialization program from TiHAN IIT Hyderabad and Masai, you will master data science, explore key machine learning techniques, and ensure ethical AI practices. You will be specializing in drone technology, enhancing navigation, detection, and communication. You can apply your skills in a hands on project, building a Netflix style recommendation engine. Not only that, this program is of 6 months duration and the course will be online. You will be getting a certification from TiHAN IIT Hyderabad as well. And you will be learning different modules such as Introduction to AI, Python basics, and machine learning fundamentals. So even if you are someone who don't have any coding experience, this will be a good course for you. You will also learn about data handling, visualization, and machine learning techniques. You can go to the syllabus. I will give the link in the description. You can go and explore all these modules as well. You will be also having a capstone project, Smart Stream Recommender. You'll be learning and working more on model tuning, ethics in AI, AI development, and drone technology insights. Why should I choose this program? Now, this is the question that a lot of people might have. The reason is very simple. You will be getting a certification by TiHAN IIT Hyderabad. You will be getting 15 to 20 hours of drone specialization, in-depth learning on drone technologies with applications in defense, agriculture, surveillance, and satellites. You will also get a campus immersion at TiHAN IIT Hyderabad for 2 days where you can explore the drone labs and you can engage with the experts, expert faculty, and industry insights. You will be getting it from real world industry insights, and this will help in your learning journey. Along with that, we will discuss this in detail. You will be getting guaranteed interview at TiHAN IIT Hyderabad, that is an internship, and you will be getting placement support by Masai School as well. If this sounds like the kind of future ready career path you have been looking for, you can take this test this Sunday. It's online and takes just 60 minutes and it's fully refundable. The link is in the description box. To join this program with AI, machine learning, and drone tech, you must clear the qualified test on your allotted date. The topics that are covered in this test are logical reasoning, quantitative aptitude, and basic maths. The registration process, as I have discussed, is very simple. You just have to pay rupees 99 and book your slot, unlock free mock test, and you can practice before your final exam. You will get 100% refund if you don't qualify or if you don't choose to enroll after counseling. Three things that you should remember is that the duration is 60 minutes. You can take the test only once at the allotted time and slot, and you have to take this test from Google Chrome browser on your desktop or laptop. What are you waiting for, guys? If you find this interesting, then register right now. The link is in the description box. If you have any more questions, you can go and check out the FAQ section. I will give the link in the description box. You can go and register right now. Please share this video with all of your friends who are working in the IT industry, who are entrepreneurs, who are business people, who are students in college trying to figure out what they can do to get a better job, to upgrade their skills and learn more about AI, machine learning, and drone technology. Thank you and have a great day ahead.